First point is what is dictionary? Then dictionary is a book containing meaning of words ranging from the beginning word with letter A to Z. Every letter is in alphabetic order. You know the technique, but you have to teach your students this technique. Suppose we want to know the meaning of terrible. First you will find the words which start from T. Then the word E. After getting T, you will get the word which are starting from E. Then you will go to the words whose third word letter is R. Again, fourth letter is again R. And then you proceed to the words whose fifth letter is I. Then you further proceed whose fourth letter is B. And next letter is L. And finally last letter is E. In this way you will find the word terrible. And for your facility, on every page, at the top, the first word of that page is given at the top left hand side. And last word of a page of a dictionary is given at the bottom left side. So you can know on this page which words are included. So this is the technique of finding the word very quickly. Next types of dictionaries. There are many kind of dictionaries nowadays available due to the development of the technology. Many kinds of dictionaries are available, out of which first is paper dictionary. This is traditional and usually we use it, and ordinary learner use this. This is the oldest form of the dictionary, and this is ordinarily cheap and handable. But many times the students complain that good dictionaries are very bulky and we cannot carry it to the classroom. So it is advised that students should keep two type of dictionary. One for the home use in the shelf, and second pocket dictionary which can be carried to the classroom. So in this way you can solve this. So then this kind of dictionary, paper dictionaries are being used by many people. Then with the advancement of technology, the second kind of dictionary come in existence, online dictionary. Online dictionaries are available on net. Many traditional dictionaries are on online edition. For example, Cambridge have an online advanced learners dictionary, and their values lie in ease of access to the student who own computer. Who has computer, they can get such kind of dictionary. Third kind of dictionary